Well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to the 4th of April. Man, Mother Nature can be cruel in the Northwest. Get some summer days, spring days, snow days, now rain days. I just want spring and summer. Alright, let's get our roll on. Mama,
it's wet.
Like I was telling the peeps here, Mother Nature can be quite cruel this time of year.
I know it.
It's hard to believe.
Fickle.
Yeah, was it 3-4 days, whatever it was ago? We're taking a mid-60s ride on a Spyder.
I know it. Now it's all yucky, wet.
Yeah, it's right back to winter again.
I know it.
All right, it'll turn around, I promise.
Yep.
I love it when the ships, more of them ships out there waiting their turn to go to port. That's really cool looking. The boat season is on us. Switching from sleds to watercraft.
Yep.
All right, Mama, I'm gonna roll down. I got a big old BMW service I gotta bust out. All right. Hopefully I'll catch. Yeah, hopefully I'll catch you there. All right. Love to see you. Bye. Bye. Got a whole gaggle of BRP products and a K1600B with custom wheels. It'll be interesting to pull that one out. Other than that, the rain continues to dribble. Another G310GS going to a happy new owner. Sat her down here and hooking everything up, make sure everything's cool, checking tire pressures, oils, and all that kind of good jazz. These things are so fun. I'll take you guys on a ride on that one. Anyway, I'm all done with it. I'm gonna take her up top here. I'm just using my Hero 5 session, so this could be kind of tricky. There we are. We're up and running. Cool motorcycle. So, as you can see, it dried out. So I'm taking this opportunity to take these two lovely Spyders for a ride. And why not bring y'all along? Look how adjustable these bars are. I think she might have them all the way back and back. You can adjust them, rock them back and forth, and you can spin the bars. You can go all the way forward with the bars all the way forward, and it feels like you're riding a dirt bike. Crazy adjustability in them. And it comes with a 8mm T-handle, and you can adjust them on the fly. Well, let me rephrase that. You don't want to be moving down the road doing that. But you can come to a stop somewhere and adjust them right quick. Oh man, nice and dry. It's supposed to rain all the way until next Monday. So we're gonna be picking up Lucas, our second to the oldest grandchild, and he's gonna hang out over the weekend with his grandma and grandpa. I just need to take it for a quick little ride to get a feel. One of the things, you know, it says visually check, you know, alignment and whatnot. Well, you can visual all you want until you ride it, and you're not going to know. Now I got to figure out what this bus is going to do here. Make sure he's not going to yank out on me. Look at that. It looks like it could clear up. Wonderful. Ah, that's a pretty blue. Yeah, it's funny is the blue was so popular for a while, and now you don't see as many of them. So now you have that nice fresh new, like, woo, that's pretty. This is the orbital blue. Very nice, very, very, very nice. Nice, pleasing little ride. So I'm just gonna land this one. I don't know if they're coming to pick these up today, but for now I'm gonna land it right here. If it doesn't look like they're gonna pick them up, I'm gonna bring them inside. All right, we're about to have a transformation into a Champagne Chrome Edition 2017. This is a 2016 RT Limited. Bam! She turned to champagne color. How did that happen? Champagne and a year newer. What in the heck? Always gotta remember to. Most people are like me. They keep the suspension in the middle spot, but I put them to high when I'm driving them on the rack, because they can if they're anything less than halfway they can touch. Well, I just go all the way. That way I know I'm not gonna, it don't hurt anything. I mean, there's skid pans and all kinds of stuff underneath there, but I just don't like them to touch. Ooh, look at that. That was kind of close, wasn't it? You know what? We're gonna have to go just a little bit farther this time. I'm not gonna do my full little thing, but we're gonna go straight and loop around and come back facing the store. How about that? These lack of rides here. Ooh, look at that. Still, no matter what, even if that thing's long since been green, pan and scan, because it can get you. Never know when somebody riding along looking at their phone didn't realize that light's long been red and just go woof right through. Knuckleheads. Oh, I think I briefly touched on this, but look at all the leaves and stuff coming in everywhere down here. There ain't none of ours doing that yet. Look at all that. Look at all the red in them trees. And the beginning green in these. Out there doing some lawn work. Yes. Got a lot more green down here. It's amazing that as a crow flies, it's about 60 miles south of us. And how the climate can be that different. What the temperature is here. Spyder's saying 64, but I had it running on my bench, so could pick up some ambient heat as they will. That's, you know, like you get stuck in traffic on one of these things, they give you a false look. Whoa! Last time we drove through here, there's only houses in the back, or apartments or condos or whatever they're going to be. But anyway, with the suspension, I'm trying to remember where the people have them and put it back when I get it off the rack. Every once in a while I forget, and they're probably going, dang, what's going on? I'm all jacked up in the rear. Then when they look, they're probably going, why was that smoke messing around with my suspension? That boy's messing around. And during this ride video, we sat forever at a traffic light. No smoke, incessant. The lead just rattled on like a BB in a boxcar. Hey, you remember all those sleds? I mean, hundreds of them. You guys seen them. Just snowmobiles everywhere. I think we sold the second to the last one. There is no way we sold that many snowmobiles. But looks like we did. Sold a gaggle of them. And that's hard to believe. You remember them all stacked up? They're all stacked up on the showroom floor. And I was like, man, that's snowmobiles for miles. We got enough to supply 2 states. Apparently, we just barely had enough to supply 1 area. Isn't that impressive? Crazy. So this is what I'm going to be spending the rest of the day on. This is a 2012. This is the last year of the K2X powered R1200 RT. The next year they went to the K5X motors. So this is pretty much, other than some different braking and different DMEs and stuff like that, pretty much the same as what they were from somewhere in the late 90s, I think. Brakes, you can obviously see the brakes are updated and stuff like that, but pretty much the same bike. Bodywork and stuff, it all comes apart the same way. You know, with the old tank bag, rack and stuff they had on them. A lot of pieces to take off of these things. To drain the tranny oil, you got to pull the right, well, you can drain it, but to fill it, pretty sure these, I'm positive it is, that the fill bolt is behind that right foot peg assembly. Pretty service intensive, these. And then you go to the K5X RTs and the services are never a big deal. But the nice thing, I think this is the, pretty sure, yeah, I know it is, it's the HP2 motor. It's that, you know, the cams are ground at an angle. I did a video on that and showed you guys once. And these, once they went to the HP2 motors in these, they're more like the K5X, where they you inspect them every 12,800 mile or whatever 20,000 kilometers works out to be. But the odds of you adjusting, very slim. But if you don't check them, if something's going wrong, you need to know and make the adjustment, you know. You never know. It wasn't all machines that put that together. If you ever watch the videos, human beings are putting these things together meticulously. So, you know, some guy could have had an off day and mismeasured a shim or something. If you got one that's tight, you want to know. Loose is just going to make noise. Ain't going to hurt a thing. Tight can be motor issues down the road. Wait, let me get back on it. I'm the one being late tonight. Another Goldwing. We got 3 more of them. All of them are DCT, dual clutch transmissions. And they're all the tour models. We haven't received any of the regular Goldwings yet. My son just put this one together. But I'm waiting for him to move the returnable crate so I can get these 2 Spyders in so they don't sit out here and get wet overnight. But he must be having a problem getting a forklift. We got 2 of them. Here he comes. I think we have 2 more red ones. I'm gonna stay here long enough to help him get this top off. Want me to move this thing? Yeah. That's what she looks like when you pull the plastic bag off of them. My son, the Goldwing guy. It's fitting for him to be putting the rest of them together. That's cool. Took so long down here, the woman had to come retrieve me. It's been a long time since you come down to get me.
I know, it's been a while.
Oh, look, you can see just a... I won't even try with the camera. But look, you can see St. Helens out there, or Mount Rainier, or Mount Hood. I'll get to it.
One of the mountains in there.
Adams, we'll just get them all in.
Yeah, what the heck.
Little woman? We didn't say our goodbye at the top of the hill, or we're out, or anything like that.
Oh.
Just kind of walked up here, jumped in the truck, and left.
Yeah.
Well, we done made it all the way to Woodland before I realized. You didn't say we're leaving work. I guess you guys probably figured that out by now. Well, hello there, YouTube. Made it home safe and sound. Didn't have to hit the windshield wipers not once, and the roads were dry the whole way home.
Yeah.
I mean, it was damp. You could tell it's just drying, but it was very nice. Nice, pleasant drive. not too many crazy people. Seen people getting pulled over for being crazy, but it was happening in the background.
Yeah, it's
the
background crazies, not the front crazies.
So I could say it was instant karma, but we hadn't seen what they done yet. They ain't made it to us. It's amazing how fast people and just.
That's because the sheriff was gone. I gotta save them people up there. Gotta get them.
Yeah. We had some crazy people flying past us like they were racing, you know.
I know, it just diving.
They don't get them. Get the ones behind us. We don't even know what they done.
Yeah. But probably don't want to know.
That's probably true too.
Yeah. Sometimes it's best just not to know these things.
Heck yeah. Crazy. So it was a good day at work. I got plenty done. Got to help Ryan with the first Goldwings. I put the first one together. That was his first one to put together. He gets done with that thing. He goes, "Pops," he goes, "that is definitely a bike you couldn't put together if you didn't have the setup manual. At least the first one anyway."
Oh yeah. All them pieces. I don't know how on earth.
But yeah, that's fun. You guys get to see what one looks like in the crate. All we did is lift the bag off of it, so it's pretty cool. I like how I love seeing how things are packaged and how they come across the Great Pond to get to us and cool stuff. It's weird. Goldwings for the longest time were built here in the States. In fact, from the very beginning until 2012, I think it was, they were always built here in the States. Now they're built back in Japan again. But yeah, it's cool. Got to take you for a couple of Spyder rides.
That's always awesome.
Yeah. Speaking of Spyders, Gail, that was nice talking to you today. I'll find out that information and get back with you. Had one of you fans. I had a Spyder question that I chit-chatted with her for a little bit. It was nice talking to you today.
That's awesome.
But yeah, good day.
Okay.
So, Mama, I'm like without stories and
without info.
I'm just kind of reviewing what they just watched. So they're going, "Why are you beating that? Why are you beating that back up? We just got through watching that."
Yes.
For me, that was hours ago. For you, that was just a couple minutes ago.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll roll on out then, Mama.
All right. Well, you fine folks take care. Thank you so very much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. And you guys have a wonderful Thursday or Friday.
Heck yeah. All right. See what tomorrow brings.
Yeah.
Hopefully the rainy day won't be so rainy like it was today. That was actually pretty nice.
Yeah. I'll take rainy days like today.
Yeah.
We'll start out and then it just peters out.
Yeah.
There we go.
Sneak in a ride here or there.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Until tomorrow.
You guys take care.
Thank you guys very much. We'll see ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.